Hello and welcome to another video where we're going to open another mystery Lego minifigure from the Dungeons and Dragons range. Now we've already opened a few. We've got that one, Barbarian, the Dwarven Barbarian, which is a regular size minifigure. Doesn't look like a dwarf to me. Anyway, we've got the Witch. That's brilliant. That was the one I was aiming for originally. I really like it. And now we are I kind of like that dragon. That's cool. I like that one as well. Actually, I like all of them. So I might try and collect all 12 because I've done quite well. I've got 3 of them. Only 9 more to get. Hopefully no duplicates. Shall we see what one is in this one? Shall we have a look? I remember liking the one with the wings as well. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's pour out. The heck? Oh, it's a guitar type thing. This is a strange one. Oh, there's the little pamphlet that tells you what's in it. Looks like we've got, I think it's this one, the guitar and the sword. Some kind of an elf type character. Yeah, we've got that one already. The wizard type. Wow, they are really cool minifigures, aren't they? Well, let's build this and see what it looks like. And here we have the minifigure built. Looking pretty cool, actually. I'm loving the guitar. Is that a guitar or mandolin or something else? I don't know, but it looks good. I like it, and you get a sword as well, so it's going to be a warrior type. And you get a choice of heads, so you can either have, by the look of it, the bloke's head, sort of a bit more sort of tough looking, or more of a feminine face. You can have it like a female character or a male character, which I think that's good, isn't it? That's pretty cool. I mean, you've got a choice. I didn't notice until I looked back on here, and then I saw, oh yeah, 2 choices of faces on there. I've noticed they've done that with this character as well. You can have a guy or a girl character. Good idea. I like it. It looks pretty good. So we've got 4 now, so that's good. Liking it. I like the fact that I haven't got a duplicate yet. I'm really liking these minifigures. They're so well made. Back when I used to buy Lego years ago, there was nowhere near as good as this. The detail on these things is so good. And you get all these extra parts now, the different hair and the scarf. Sword's almost the same. Remember, I used to play with this Lego pirate ship. It wasn't even mine, actually, it was my mate's. And it was amazing. It had all the old pirates and soldiers. It was really cool, but it was the detailing then, nothing compared to what it is now. So good now, they've really come along. Got even the hair look, so good. Anyway, looking good. I think if I was going to get a minifigure by choice though, I want the one with the wings and the dog. That looks ace. But I'm happy with this one. Maybe I'll get another one. Well, that warrior looks good as well. Evil looking warrior. He looks a bit odd. That sort of alien type character. Looks like someone from Star Wars or something. Very strange. I like that one as well. That's probably one of my favourite ones. That sort of weird looking one. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this episode. And I shall see you at another one, where hopefully I'm either opening another one of these, or I'm looking at one of the sets that I got in my bulk haul. So I'll see you at another episode. Bye for now.